Hi, welcome to my kitchen today, and yes, it is Anne's Cooking and More here. Today I'm not actually doing cooking. Yes, for once there's no food in the kitchen today, but I'll be unboxing some of my gadgets that my king got for me. There's 4 boxes here. That's a big one, that's a small one, that's another small one. They're pretty lightweight, so I don't know what is in there. You will all get to see. First, I will go to this one because this is the smallest one, and let's see what is in this one. I will open the bag. Look at that! That's a chopping board with my logo on it, and what? Cooking elf here. Oh my goodness, that is super. Thank you, my kid. Okay, so that's one down. We'll just throw this down there. Let me see what this one is actually. Okay, it's another. Another chopping board. Yes, it's actually another chopping board. He knows that I love my chopping board, and the people, when I start using them and they grow a bit funny, I throw them away. So I guess that's why he got me too. This my husband is something with this. So that's 2 down, so that's 2 chopping board, one with my logo and one there. Which one do you prefer? This one, of course. Okay, in this small box, it's some sauce cups. Now, these are the little cups, like when I'm doing a serving and like I have my jus and all of that, I put them inside of here. And they're all different colors. They have green, purple, red, and brown. Oops. So cute. Look at that. Little flower post. Okay, so 3 down. And today, last. Actually feel really light, like there's nothing in the box. Let's see. I have no idea what this is. And that an empty box really. You heard me complaining that I need when I'm doing my frying like pasta, I need a pasta strainer, and guess what? We got the one. How can I not love him? How can I not call him my king? He is my king. Because he knows what this thing is. And there's another small box inside of it. I have no idea what this is. Let me put this down. This really? Oh, let's see. Oh, this is actually a slicer, like a fruit and vegetable egg slicer, and it all comes stackable. That's really nice. I love this. You can cut in 2, then cut in 6 pieces, and this is like something eggs. This is really cool. And you have the bottom. Yeah. slicer, my serving leaf balls, my shovel,